Little angel reader, little angel reader, read along with angel reader, have some fun with angel reader. Little angel reader. English with little angel reader. Level 1, Lesson 25.
Hello, my name is Anya. I am your English teacher. What's your name? Nice to meet you.
Can. I can. I can. I can read. I can read. I can read. I can read. She can. She can read. She can read. He can. He can read. He can read.
I can read. I can read.
They can. They can read. They can read.
Repeat after me. I can read. I can read. I can read in English. I can read in English. Can you read? Can you read in English? Yes, I can. I can read in English.
Hi, I am Raccoon. I can blow bubbles. I can blow bubbles. Can you blow a bubble? Can you blow a bubble?
Can you blow a bubble out of a slime?
Yes, I can.
Okay, show me. He's blowing a bubble. Slime bubble. Max is trying too. Come on, Max, blow. Thank you. Max, blow. Blow. Max is blowing.
Max has a scooter. Max has a scooter. They have scooters. They have scooters. Do you have a scooter? Do you have a scooter?
Do you have a scooter? Yes, I do. I have a scooter. No, I don't. I don't have a scooter.
Ride, riding. Ride, riding. Ride a scooter. Ride a scooter. The boy is riding a scooter. The boy is riding a scooter.
Max is riding a scooter.
Max can ride his scooter. Max can ride his scooter.
I can ride my scooter.
Max can ride his scooter. Can you ride a scooter?
Can you ride a scooter? Can you ride a scooter? Yes, I can. Yes, I can. No, I can't. No, I can't.
Can you ride a scooter? Yes, I can. I can ride a scooter. No, I can't. I can't ride a scooter.
The man is riding a white horse. The man is riding a white horse. He can ride a horse. He can ride a horse.
Do you see Max riding his scooter in the evening? Do you see Max riding his scooter over there? It's October.
Hi, I am Wolfie. What's your name?
Yellow pencil. Max is drawing Wolfie with the yellow pencil now.
I can draw Wolfie. I can draw Wolfie.
Can you draw Wolfie? Can you draw Wolfie? Sister, sister. Brother, brother.
Angie is my sister. Angie is my sister. I'm her brother. I'm her brother.
И родился на Руси богатырь, славный-преславный, мудрый-премудрый, и нарекли ему имя Максим Миткевич.
Do you speak Russian? Repeat after me in Russian. У зайки заболели зубки. У зайки заболели зубки. And now in English. У зайки заболели зубки. У зайки заболели зубки. The. У зайки заболели зубки. The. This. This is a cat. This is my bike. This is my scooter. The bunny has a toothache. The bunny has a toothache. У зайки заболели зубки. У зайки заболели зубки. The. У зайки заболели зубки. The bunny has a toothache. Toothache.
This is my mother, and this is my brother.
Repeat after me. Brother. Brother. The. Brother. У зайки заболели зубки. У зайки заболели зубки. У зайки заболели зубки. Brother. Brother. This is my brother. This is my brother.
Max is my brother. Max is my brother.
This is my brother. This is my brother. The. Good job. Well done.
Are you sleeping, Brother Max? Are you sleeping, Brother Max? Let's read a book. Let's read a book. I can draw. Read aloud for you by Little Angel Reader.
I can draw. I can draw.
I can draw a tree. I can draw a bird. I can draw a cat. I can draw a flower. I can draw the sun. I can draw a house. I can draw my sister. Can you draw your sister? I can draw my brother. Can you draw your brother? I can draw leaves. Can you draw leaves? I can draw anything. Thank you, Masha, for your pictures. Max, what can you draw?
I can draw a monster.
Tree. I can draw a tree like this or like that. Can you draw a tree? The children are looking at the birds in the tree.
The children are looking at the birds in the tree.
Bird. I can draw a bird like this or like that. Can you draw a bird? Cat. I can draw a cat like this, meow, or like that, meow. Can you draw a cat? Flower. I can draw a flower like this or like that. Can you draw a flower? The black cat and the girl are looking at the flower. Big flower.
They are looking at the big flower.
My sister. My sister. My sister and my black cat are looking at the flower. Small flower.
They are looking at the small flower.
I can draw my sister with a balloon. Sun, sun, sun. I can draw the sun like this, or like this, or even like this. House, house, house. I can draw a house like this, or like that. My brother, my brother. I can draw my brother on a balloon. I can draw my sister and my brother with balloons. Or I can draw my brother and sister holding hands. Leaves, leaf, leaf. I can draw leaves like this or like that. Anything, anything, anything. I can draw anything.
I can draw anything.
What can you draw?
What can you draw?
Do you like to draw?
Do you like to draw?
Thank you for reading with us today.
Can you draw? Yes, I can. I can draw. Do you like to draw? Yes, I do. I like to draw. No, I don't. I don't like to draw.
If you like my lessons, you can thank me here. PayPal littleangelreader@gmail.com. Little angel reader, little angel reader, read along with angel reader, have some fun with angel reader.
Little angel reader.
Little angel reader.